Should we believe in dreams or intuition?
Yeah, thank you for that question. What is dreams? Dreams are those astral extracts from by our spirits. Like I told you in my previous lectures, that human beings are into two: the spiritual you and physical you. Then, when you are fully awake, you are awake in body and spirit. So, because of the density of your body, you might not be able to grasp the message given to you. So, when you fell asleep, there will be why you fell asleep is because you fell asleep and there is this a little bit detachment. The spirit detached a little with the body, and that enable the spirit to travel into the world of gross material and even beyond, in the interior world, be able to get connected with positive vibrations or other vibrations in the spiritual realm. And when you wake up, the spiritual you will transfer that knowledge, the experience you had while sleeping, into your the physical body. Now your physical brain will give it earthly interpretation. So it used to happen. The dreams are the way dreams I'm talking about. I'm not talking about noiba. Dream comes as a result of spiritual soul travel. The spirit will be able to grab so many things, get some certain information that of what is happening in the spiritual realm. Then it's for our own benefit. Yes. But there are some certain people that are matured enough to the extent that the spirits communicate to them even when they are fully awake. We call it intuition, intuitive perception. Everybody, every genuine human being carries it. However, for you to understand, depend on your spiritual openness, how you open your spiritual and maturity in you, that will determine whether you will be grasp grasp what you are being showed. Now, and match everybody with that tiny voice in you that whenever I want to do evil, that tiny voice will warn you. Don't do this, you will regret it. Very tiny. But sometimes because you are spiritual indolence, you have not developed yourself, you are not awakened, you brush it aside. And behold, few months later or later few hours, you begin to regret not listening to that your inner spirit. So intuition, if you develop yourself to the extent that you grasp your dreams correct, alright, and then grasp the intuition perception, alright, believe me, you can never go astray. You can never be deceived. Because even when somebody is deceiving you or trying to deceive you, the inner spirit is telling you, warning you that this you are going to regret this. This person is not sincere. But shove it over, shove it off. And by so doing, maybe after some time you will get mom, but the mistake has been done. So because you are not paying attention to that intuition, early warning via the dream or via intuition. So for me, I would advise you, if you are spiritual, you must be awakened to the extent that you are always getting this dream that is so clear. Some of them are not actually dreams, some of them are just um, clear message. Not like clear message, because I been a dream. When you have a made dream, and there are for no one ever, it can never happen. But real vision, just you will see it as television. It will happen. Like I told you many years ago, like 12 years ago, when I was here in Abuja, the way my compound is now is almost the same thing the way I saw it in the dream. But when I woke up, I was like, "Ah, it's not going to happen," because that time I was still very far deep, far away from Eze-Ana. I'm deep into Christianity. So that time I was so afraid building anything in my father's compound. I've already bought a land in another town where whenever I come back from Abuja, I will stay there with my family and go back. So when I now saw my village house compound, transformed the way it is now, I was like, no, no, it can't happen, it can't happen. Because that time I've already bought land in another town where I choose to make a home. Yeah, because at that time I was running away from the enemies. So eventually, a few years down the line, that dream I had that time happened in the land of the reality. So show you that certain things are actually vision. It's not just made dream. So if you're a type that normally once you have dream, it happens. Then and the intuition is very sharp. I will advise you to always pay attention to that your special gift, special gift. Yes, thank you.